Hey guys, I'm Sean Calloway and I'm the new product development manager here at Anzo USA. And today I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to install taillights on your 15 to 19 Tahoe and Suburban. So what we have here is our brand new sequential taillights. They're available in black. And then we have our red styling, which is our running light. And then down here we have our brake light. And then up here we have our reverse. Now for the turn signal, that's going to be this area here, and then this is also going to do your sequential. And then we have other things built in like the reflectors, the crystal clear lens, and so forth. Now if you're not too particular about this style, we do have other ones available, and that's going to be these ones right here. So we have these available in smoke, which is this one right here. We have another style that's full LED here. All of them are full LED, and these are just a few of the other styles that we do carry. These do all install exactly the same way as this, and everything is provided for you. So let's go ahead and jump into the install on these, and then we'll be able to see all the full functions and everything individually. Tools needed are a panel popper, a T15 Torx, and a ratchet. Okay, so to remove the stock taillights, it's very simple, just a couple steps. So what we're gonna do is start by opening this, and we'll have to remove this panel right here. Very easy to do. The easiest way would be to one of these plastic panel poppers. That way you're not messing up any paint or anything. But you take this rubber trim right here and just pull it back just a little bit. And with your plastic tool, you just go in and slide up. There's 3 clips in here that you got to release, and once you release them, they will pop right out just like this. And now we can remove the 2 T15 Torx screws in here. Okay, so once you've got the 2 T15 Torx removed, the next step is going to be to get underneath your vehicle and disconnect the harness. So because we're not going to reuse the harness, the factory harness that's on the back of the taillight, because we do provide one. So all you do is disconnect that, and then once you have that disconnected, you can rock this back and forth and slide it straight out. And all you'll do is pull up, and then you can set this aside, and we can start installing the new one. Okay, so removal of the taillight, super simple. Now you'll notice a couple things extra in the box. You know, we do provide one of these that go on the bottom of the taillight, and that's the locator around the bumper cap here. Now, the only reason you'll need to swap this out is if your stock one is broken, or maybe you've been in an accident or something. But that's when you can swap that out. If you really want to, you can swap this out. I'm not going to because it's not needed, because our customer's vehicle here is in great shape. So we'll set that off to the side. Now, with our new taillight, all we're gonna do is feed this harness down back through here so we can attach everything in the bumper area. Okay, so we've got the taillights all reinstalled, and as you can see right here, we've got the running light feature lit up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the features.